Hi, I'm Saqib.
And I'm Fatma, and we welcome you to our YouTube channel, Scenic Notebook.
We explore places. We love going to mountains, beaches, caves, parks, and sometimes just take a drive to take in scenic views. And we would love to bring you along with us. We hope you have fun, enjoy our video, and please do hit like and subscribe to our channel. In this video, we'll walk around the famous historic St. Charles, show you their beautiful cobbled streets, stroll around Missouri River, and show you a chapter out of history that makes this place so special. We'll then stop over at a unique hidden gem of a shop that Fatma and I visit often for desserts. So please stay with us through the end and let us know in the comments where you'd like us to go next. Welcome to historic St. Charles in Missouri. We are standing right next to Lewis and Clark Boathouse and Museum.
What a beautiful day to be out here today, huh?
It is. We've seen some heavy overcast. Right now, it was raining a few minutes ago.
They have tours as well, so if anyone wants to discover the expedition of St. Charles, they can.
Yeah, I think that is a great idea.
Right?
Mm-hmm. So we're at Frontier Park right now. This is the main park in St. Charles, Missouri. You know, when the fireworks and all of that fun stuff happens, it happens around Frontier Park. In fact, this year, Fatma, they actually had a drone show on one of the 2 days of the fireworks. On July 3rd, they did a drone show, beautiful drone show. And then on July 4th, they did the fireworks here. This is my beautiful wife.
Hey guys.
Fatma. So when the Louisiana Purchase happened in 1803, Thomas Jefferson asked William Clark and Meriwether Lewis to go and explore the West. And at that time, St. Louis was the westernmost city that had been discovered so far. And cities to the west of St. Louis had not been discovered. So there was a lot of exploration that was yet to take place. So Clark came here in St. Charles and he waited for Lewis to join him. And then they both started from here and they started exploring. So when Clark came, he had 3 boats and about 40 men or so. Lewis came and joined him after 4 days, and then they both basically set off from this river. All right, so this is John Coulter, who was a member of the Lewis and Clark expedition. He was highly regarded as an excellent hunter and scout, and before reaching St. Louis on the return trip, he asked for a discharge and then ascended the Missouri River to serve as a guide to fur traders.
Caboose restored, painted. Oh, that's so pretty.
It is beautiful, right?
So it is a caboose, it says on it.
Yes, it does. And we have another one up in front. But let me zoom up to it. You're gonna walk over there and this is caboose number 2.
Oh, turn around, that's where they get ready. Look at the St. Charles building back there for all the reenactments.
That's right.
And it's a cooling station for all the people who are dressed up in uniforms and
that is so
costumes.
True. And that's for all these events like the Christmas traditions and similar events that St. Charles hosts, they keep it lively. They keep inviting, it's a very inviting atmosphere.
Yeah. They'll
for
have some
the residents.
Renaissance fairs too.
That's right. I do remember.
I wanna
seeing
see
one of
what that,
those. They did have a Renaissance fair over here as well.
I want to see what that reads.
Beautiful. So it says right here that St. Charles was the first permanent settlement on the Missouri River, known as Des Petites Côtes, which stands for Little Hills. And you know, one thing that not everyone knows, near here is the junction of the Missouri and Mississippi. It's called the Confluence, and then Fatma and I are definitely going to take you all there in one of these videos. Here's a beautiful view of leaving Frontier Park and going towards Main Street. You'll see the street goes up a little bit. What we're going to do is we're going to go up just until the first street beyond this, and then we'll turn right.
And that's where all the cobbled streets are, right?
That's where all the cobbled streets are, yes. All right, so we are right next to a state historic site. There you go. I'm going to zoom back a little bit so we can get the entire house in there, the entire structure in there. There you go. Beautiful. All right, so from here we're going to turn left, and we're turning left on Madison Street, and we're going to Main Street. They've got a teeny tiny park here that's called Forget Me Not Park. I love the name. And this is where the cobbled street starts, as you can see. So one really beautiful thing, they've got these chessboards just by the street side. So if anyone wants to play chess, all you do is you just come here and sit down and have a game. All right. So here's the Lewis and Clark's restaurant.
Fun fact. That was where my first real job interview held, over a salad.
That's right.
How ironic is it that it's called Lewis and Clark?
That's right.
And my boss back then was like, just relax, have a salad. And I got the job,
and
obviously.
You got the job. Yeah.
That was early 2000s, and guess what? I'm still there with the company, so it worked out. It was a good luck charm for me.
Just look at how beautiful the structures are in St. Charles, on St. Charles Main Street. I love it. This beautiful building on the left is the old post office. It says OPO Startups. That's named after the O stands for old, P stands for post, and O stands for office. So the OPO Startups is named after old post office. I love it. Let's look at how beautiful this is, right? There you go. There are a few more structures. Beautiful building. Beautiful. They built too much. Absolutely love this thing. You see a nice restaurant up front. It's called Tony's, and they've got a deck up there. I wonder if they have an opening available. I'd love to go sit over there. I'll ask Fatma if she's hungry and see where we go from there.
I think the crew must have been really hungry by now.
Ah, their crew must have been very hungry. That is so true, Fatma. Again, what did they eat?
I don't know.
Burgers, fries? I don't think so. I don't know if they had fries back then.
I know they had coffee for sure.
They had coffee
to have
for
coffee
sure. Yes.
for sure.
They definitely
There's
got their
no
coffee.
way.
I know.
Hey!
Hey guys.
Guys. There's another really nice coffee spot here called Mocha Point. Maybe we can have some coffee there.
Yeah.
And some maybe desserts. I think they have some really yummy flan and other desserts there, like cakes.
I'd love me some
pastries.
flan right now, Fatma. I'm craving. I guess I'm just hungry, right? We've
Yeah,
been walking a bit.
let's see if we can find it.
Yeah. Let's go find ourselves a nice restaurant to eat at, and then we'll go to Mocha Point too. What we decided was we're going to skip dinner and go straight to desserts. I don't know how crazy that is. Maybe it's not a good idea.
I think it's the best idea.
It's the best idea.
Right, here we are, skipping dinner, going straight into dessert.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi guys, how are you? You okay with us taking a little bit of a video here? We're gonna order some stuff too. We want the adni chai in the teapot. Yeah, and then we'll do.
Look at these beautiful desserts.
Which
man.
flan do you want?
Just pick one.
Ooh, okay. So we'll do the
they're all good.
Biscoff cheesecake. Just the one of that, and then we want a red velvet cake too. Yeah, we'll do those two.
2 cups for that pot.
Sorry, yes. It's just the two of us, yeah. Oh wow, these look amazing. And are these home, like in bakery baked here, or do you guys? Okay, very nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Oh
my
wow. Oh,
Yeah,
this
excellent.
is a great decision.
service
This
here-
is
here at Mocha
beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so we decided that we're going to sit outside and enjoy it over here. Here we go. Good job, Fatma. Do not drop
Joe?
it.
Teacher Joe?
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go.
This was probably the best decision to skip dinner.
I know, right? Well, we
Look
are
at
going
how
to be full.
beautifully.
Yeah, they've done a good job. Let's go ahead and try it out.
Oh wow. So this is the adni chai I was talking about.
Yeah.
And then of course their red velvet cake and Biscoff cheesecake. And this is a specialty he was saying. These are the honeycomb desserts. So that's on the house.
Nice.
Pour you some
Thank you, Fatma.
adni chai. Oh, the color and the fragrance. If only everybody could just taste
Smell it,
this. And
taste this.
it's
Wow.
amazing.
Yeah.
The fragrance coming off of it is so nice. All right,
Thank you, Fatma.
here you go. Try yours. A bit hot, so be careful. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it just as much as we enjoyed making it.
And if you liked our video, please do hit like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to put in comments where you'd like us to go next.
Take care until next time.